paring Willie at kay Andrea at kay Abby. It's Christ, always cares about you, tries to make you happy when you're blue. It's Christ who invites you to share His glory. Because Christ loves you, He gives you a hand and thinking of you. Christ always at your side, just waiting for you. Listen, friend, when you're in trouble, just call out His name. Give Him a chance to speak to you. Because Christ loves you.